Here's a quick tutorial on how to set up the assignment groups in Populi. And just a brief word about why setting up assignment groups is important. Since quality communication is clear and consistent, we want to help our students have one place in every Populi page that shows them what they are doing during the semester. Also, when some people plan, they use points for assessing assignment credit. However, Populi is a bit particular here and it really loves percentages. So you might need to figure out how to convert your points to percentages. So what I would suggest is to have your syllabus in front of you and have a clear view of the assignments and the weighting of the assignments. Go to My Courses and then find the course you're working on, hit Assignments, and then you're going to Add Assignment Group. And in this, just go through and take your assignment groupings and the weightings and give them percentages. When you do that, hit save, and you'll notice that you have tests here, and then it's going to tell you that you still need 80%. So fill out the rest of those particular things, hit syllabus, and you'll notice that the groupings are right there and that students can see pretty clearly what to do.